Good afternoon, everyone. Our today's class is going to be a little bit quite different from C++ programming. This one has to do with how to blackmail somebody on chatting on social network. Let's say, for instance, you have a girlfriend that refused to marry you, then she marry another person. So you want to blackmail her to her husband so that the husband will see as if she's fleeting, she's dating other people outside. What you should just do, you have to identify the person that you want to connect her with. Let's say you want to use WhatsApp. You can blackmail somebody through either WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or whatsoever. But the one that I'm going to teach you today is how to use WhatsApp in order to blackmail a person. So that, like I said, she is married. You want to send it to her husband so that the husband will feel as if her wife, his wife, is chatting with another man outside. So for you to create this kind of WhatsApp so that you will send it to the husband to believe, yes, his wife is chatting with another man outside. So this is what you will do. Just open your data. Please, before I start, help me please to like, subscribe into my channel. Help me so that I want to grow. Please assist me. Thank you. So let's start. First of all, open your data. Once if your data is open, open any browser of your choice, either Chrome or Phoenix or whatsoever. So I'm going to use Phoenix. Click on the Phoenix. It's also a browser. So once if you are in this environment, so you should just search, type this thing, fake details. Fake details, there should be no space. Fake detail.com. Make sure there is no space. Fake detail.com. Search it. So it will just open directly to this environment. Once if you're in this environment, just scroll down. Scroll down. Can you see the environment? So the place where you will click for you to start is this where three line is been. As you can see, I have cycled it. Just click on that place. If you click, you will see mail. If it is true mail that you want to blackmail a person, personal detail, or social media. I hope and I believe WhatsApp has to do with social media. So click with social media. Then from there you will see WhatsApp chat, WhatsApp video call, Facebook and other Facebook chat and other things. So like I said, we are going to use WhatsApp chat. So click on what? WhatsApp. If you click, then this environment will come out. Once if you're in this environment, scroll it up. So these are the settings you are going to do to tally with the person's phone number. Let's say her boyfriend that she's chatting while she's married, she's chatting with her boyfriend outside. So the phone of the boyfriend, you have to set it this environment to tally with the boyfriend phone number. So if the phone number of that boyfriend is Android, you will choose Android. If it is iPhone, you will choose iPhone. I hope if you can see it here. Very good. So you have to choose. You have to choose either Android or iPhone. But obviously, most of the phone nowadays are iPhone. That is why I decided to go for iPhone. So the next thing, if the person his network is 5G or 4G, you have to choose. Most of our network here, we don't have 5G in Nigeria. The highest network we have is 4G, so I will choose what? 4G. Let me go back. This is the place where you will choose the what? Network. So you have to click on it in order to choose the network you are going to use. So most of our network here in Nigeria is 4G. It will appear on top of the phone. The next thing, let's say the charge of your battery, you want to either increase it, now is 50%. If you want to make it to be, let's say, 60 or 63%. So this is the environment of the phone, of the chatting, WhatsApp chatting. So let's say her boyfriend name. Her boyfriend name is what? Let's say Samuel John. So click. I don't know if you are seeing this place where you will change the name to tally with the boyfriend's name. So click on it. If you click, then start typing the name. Let's say the name is what? Audu. Let's say the name is Audu. Audu. Audu Musa. So I'm done with it. So the next one, let's say I want to put his picture, the boyfriend, or let's say he's using this picture. You can put any picture of your choice so that the husband will believe, yes, this message is really belongs to so person. So that is the essence of putting the picture that will tally. So the next one, how to redesign the message. Can you see? I hope you can see the percentage of the battery here, as well as the percentage of the and also the network, which is 4G, is there. So, and also I hope, can you see the name is Audu Musa. So the next thing, let's say the date of the message. Can you see this date? It's already 2003. If you send it to her husband, let's say will not believe this one is in 2003. It means you are lying. So you have to change the date to tally with the present date. So for you to do this, you have to click on that date, click on it in order to change the date and the time. So let's say I want to change it to be 19. I want to change it to 19. Let's say and the content of the message, I want to change it to from hi. Let's say she sent to him, I want us to have sex tonight, since it is a blackmail. If you like, you can also put a picture, blackmail picture, so that the husband will believe, yes, his wife is cheating on him. Let's say I have picture here. yes. So let's say he is the one that received the message. If I send it, can you see? Let's say he replied. It is not possible. You are married woman. You are married woman. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. As if he's innocent. So he's the one that saying you have to choose send. I hope can you see where you will be choosing whether the person is receiving it or is sending it. If he's the one receiving it, you will click on receiver. If he's the one that is sending it, you will click on what? Sender. So if you finish, then click on this for the message to appear on the WhatsApp. So can you see it appear? Let's say if you want to add more text, you can still write another one as if they are doing conversation. Let's say, why will you do do this thing to me? Please, I have feeling for you. So can you see the conversation? Like this, like this. So once if you finish arranging everything to your own taste, then go down, you see download WhatsApp chat as image. Click on it. I hope can you see it? Download WhatsApp as image. Then you have to click on it to download it. So once if you finish the download, let's open it and see. Can you see how the message will look like? The image. So I'll do Musa with picture and everything. Then you can send it to her husband. So that is the end. Bye bye for now.